This is the Hello World Podcast. Yung hustle, di ba? Sinasabi natin yung hustling at work, but this is a very good reminder to everyone. Coach, if health is one of the major areas for improvement of the typical executive out there, what's a second AFI? What's a second weakness? Is it EQ, agility, resilience, teammanship?
I think today more and more it's agility. I think it's the number one reason why successful leaders fail is because they were not able to adapt to the pace of change. Just because the pace of change is so and that's the problem. Successful leaders, because you're successful, ang galing mo, you've already achieved a level of success. So you'll say, why do I need to change? Tagal ko nang ginagawa ito, galing ko na dito, di ba? So yun ang next part. And I think the companies that are thriving today, they're the ones who were like you, like your company, di ba? You were able to adjust very quickly, and now you're reaping the benefits. And the others who did not. The others have not been able to adjust as quickly. And that's the key. That's what I mean by agility. The ability to adjust quickly. Not if you give everyone years, lahat naman makaka-adjust, di ba? But who has that now? You don't even have 3 months or 6 months today in this day and age, di ba? So how have you built your company to be agile? So that's where a lot of the difficulties that I'm seeing in organizations today. Have they built, because a lot of organizations still are from the old, the traditional pyramid structure and all that, bagal ng decision making, it's so command and control pa rin. So that really takes that's a hard change. I teach a module on easy change versus hard change. Yung easy change, kumbaga sa app yan, i-update mo lang yung app eh. Yung hard change talaga ng OS yun, of the operational system. So a lot of times, agility is a hard change. It really, you have to examine your ways of working, the way you do things, and even your thinking. Agility starts from mental agility. It is the ability of the leader to be mentally agile, to think quick, to be adaptable and all that. So if you're not agile as a leader, you can never, how can you develop and build an agile organization, right? So,
and it's really a trainable quality.
Yes,
agility.
It is a skill. Even mental agility, they have come now with the concept of neuro agility. They have seen the science now behind the neuro agility, our brain's ability to be agile. So it is trainable. It is a skill. Pwede talaga.
This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.